Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. Today we are going to discuss an important topic which is beginner's guide to trading. Most of the people ask me like if I'm starting to trade, what are the steps I need to take? So today we are going to talk a little bit in detail about the what are the steps you should take if you want to start your trading career. Let's get started. Okay. So step number 1 is you need to find a good broker with minimal charges and good charting software. This is very important because initially when you're learning trading you need to save money on brokerage. Otherwise, if you make steps which is going to cost you big losses plus the kind of charges which they levy on your losses, which is going to kill you and kill your motivation. So it's important that you find a good broker with minimum charges and good charting software, so that saving money is the important factor for us. So how do we find it? Let's get to a site called Compare Stockbroker. So you can go to Chittorgarh, just type Google Compare Stockbrokers, you'll be able to get this. So if you want a full list of brokers, you can always get a list like this. Always go by rating by customer, 4-star rating. So when I clicked on all brokers, I got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brokers which are rated more than 4. So what you can prefer is that, let's have a look. This account opening charge on Grow is 0, DMAT is 0, but 20 rupees per executed order or 0.05%, whichever is lower. So this is a little expensive. Okay, so this is an expensive part. Let's look at SAS. SAS has 200, DMAT, this is good. Equity intraday is 0. Then let's go to RK Global. This is again account opening is free. DMAT is 250 from second year onwards. 9 rupees per order. This is 300, 300, 20, 20. Expensive. And then next is about 15, 150. So in this you can choose that. You can understand now why I use SAS Online, because this gives you a lot of flexibility and savings in terms of your overall brokerage. So this you can use, and plus point, they have a good charting software as well, which you keep seeing in my videos what I use. So this is the step number 1, where you select the broker, open an account, open a DMAT account, and take a brokerage plan. Usually they have a monthly plan also, which is like 999. This you have to pay so that you can trade unlimited. Okay, no matter how many trades you do, you won't be paying any charges except for the standard taxes, which is applicable across, which is standard applicable across all the brokers. Okay, so now let's go to step number 2. Step number 2 is learning. Learning what? Learning technical analysis. Okay, so this is a very crucial part, and this you have to learn from a paid instructor or a good course, full detailed, or do NSE certification. Okay, so these 3 options you have. NSE certification, you can obviously go to Elon Markets to do an NSE certification there, or subscribe to any of these channels where they are doing a paid instructor course. This is very important. I have done multiple courses which has helped me, because everybody has a different style, and you need to understand what you need to do in the market and how to read the charts. So I'll give you a small example and small strategy which you can use. Okay, so what you can simply start doing is that first you need to identify what kind of a trader you are. Are you a swing trader or are you an intraday trader? You want to become an intraday trader, then your charges are very important. If you are a swing trader, your charges uh, are not that important because you are taking it for a week's view or a 10 days view or a month's view. So there you're going to only ride the trend for the entire momentum and then pay those charges whenever you exit. So you have to choose wisely which one you want to do, whether intraday or swing trading. It all depends upon your personality, what kind of personality you want. If you are somebody who is wanting to get into the market quickly, make money, get out and have fun whole day, then intraday is the best for you. If you're somebody who's like doing some other work and wants to take a trade and carry it for a week and make profit, then swing trading is good for you. Even that, intraday option selling is there, option buying is there. Option selling, you can definitely make a position, sit out with the risk cap, and you can do whatever you want to do during the daytime. So that is also an easy option. Option buying, you have to be very sharp in terms of taking the entries. Right point you have to enter and exit, and that point can come anytime during the day, so you have to keep sitting through the chart and waiting for that level to come. Okay, so those are the key differences. So now, for example, if you want to get started, I would suggest you get started with a simple pivot and super trend setting. Okay, so what you can do is a simple thing like apply a pivot point and standard pivot point and super trend trading. 14 and 2 is the setting. Okay, so you try practicing this, that whenever, and do it on index on a 3 minute or on a 5 minute time frame. 3 minutes is too short for you, entries might be multiple. So on a 5 minutes time frame, do this on a intraday basis so that you practice this and you can apply it in your swing tradings also. Okay, here you will develop your psychology and practice it more so that you understand the markets and the way the fluctuations happen in M2M. Your mind will get tuned to it and you will know what are the uh, risk capping rules. Okay, so second step, third step is to learn risk management. Learn risk management with proper stop loss. Okay, this is the most important part. Your success depends on this one thing. Okay, so once you do this, what you have to do is just look at the market, understand that pivot points act as support and resistance. So you have this support, you have this resistance, then this support and this support. Your simple job is to observe the market, and if it is holding, first you need to look at the super trend, what kind of entry is being given. If the entry is formed at a sell point, okay, you're getting a sell entry on the first candle, do not directly jump onto it. Just wait for a couple of candles to see if the entry sustains or not, especially at the crucial levels. So here, if you can see, we have got a sell entry here and the price was sustaining here, and this bar would have been your entry bar. Okay, when it breaks this, so you enter here, your stop loss is this, you trail the stop loss and you exit here. So here you made some money, you get confidence, and then next entry you're getting a buy entry at a support level. Okay, so then you take, wait for one or two candles, it will come, and once you get this retracement above this candle, okay, any bar which is taking the high of a red bar at a very important location, which is a support location or a resistant location, then you should go for long. So you enter here, put your stop loss here, trail it, trail it, trail it, trail it, take the profit. So both ways you can take the profit. Your confidence will build up. So like this, you keep practicing every day, and the more you practice, the more you get better at it, and then you can apply this into your swing trading. And when you do the technical analysis, you will understand the importance of support. The support and resistance are not just one line, okay? There are always zones like this. It will be a complete zone. Okay, don't expect it to come and touch the line. It will be a complete zone. It can pierce through, fall back, pierce through, and then again come down also. This is a complete zone. This is a zone. Okay, so it is not like it is a line which is going to act as a support and resistance. So always think about this and trade carefully. There is no rush for you to immediately trade. Saving the money is the most important factor. Okay, step 3 was our risk management with proper stop loss. This is the most important thing, because even if you lose 10 trades out of your 20 trades, and 10 trades have proper 1:3 risk to reward, then you are sorted. So then comes our topic, risk to reward. Okay, always target 1:2 or 1:3 in any trade. That means if you are taking 20-point stop loss, then target should be 40 or 60 points. Okay, this has to be fixed. Don't get out before your target is hit. Okay, so always ride through the entire process and book the profits as per this. Otherwise, what will happen is loss will be capped and you're booking profits too early. So don't book the profits too early. So these are the 4 steps you need to follow. And 5th step, logging of the okay, this is very important. You need to maintain an Excel sheet with the following. Okay, what you need to do is create a simple table with 1, 2, 3. Save out. Assume this. Okay, you should have date. You should have stock name or option name. Then whether it is a call or a put. Then you have entry price. Then you have stop loss. Then you have risk. Then you have profit. Then you have quantity. Quantity is should be before, so that you can calculate all this. And strategy used. Last is remarks. So this is very important for you to analyze and learn from your trading style. Okay, backtesting is easy to do on softwares these days, but what was working before will not work in the future. Understand this. It was working in the past, and now people have identified it and started making positions against it, because you are trading with institutions, and wherever institutions see that there is a pattern forming in the retail, they try to break that pattern and they will make more money out of it. So they have high-end systems which can identify your patterns, which can identify your stop losses, and they can trade against you also. So risk management Step number 3, step number 4, step number 5. Step number 3 and 4 are very important. You should do it. Step number 5 is for your learning. So learning, you have to log of the trades. You need to maintain Excel sheet with the following: date, name of the stock, entry price, stop loss, risk, profit, quantity, strategy used, remarks. So that when you look back after 6 months, you will understand which strategy you have has given you better results. Because once you start getting into trade, you will keep searching for new strategies every day. So that is the beginner's mindset. They always look out for a holy grail. There is no holy grail in the market. Okay, so that is our sixth step. No holy grail and stop searching. We have to stick to one particular system with proper risk management. Okay, usually the first strategy which you hit, which gives you profit, stick to that strategy with a proper risk management and continue to do that every day. Your trading should be boring, and it should be boring to the core, because it will give you money every day. It has to be like that. Okay, so you have to find that strategy, implement it, cap the risk. Once you start logging, you will know before taking the trade how much is my risk in this trade. If it is 5,000, 4,000, you will know, okay, if I go wrong, what is going to happen? I lose this 4,000. Then I move on to the next trade. So that's how you build up your 20 trades. In that, you will see how many trades have given you good results and what is that overall P&L looking like. In 20 trades, are you profitable or non-profitable? Then most widely made mistakes are step number 3 and step number 4. Step number 3, where you don't cap your risk. Okay, always cap your risk, that is more important. And step number 4, risk to reward, 1:3 or 1:2. This is more important for you. Only then you will be profitable. So stop looking for a holy grail in the market and stop trying to find different strategies. You will start going to YouTube, you will start finding a lot of strategies and try experimenting. So stop experimenting. Do not experiment with your money. Just follow simple guidelines which I have given here. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. Okay, and then you see your results, how they will shape up. So in case if anybody wants to learn option strategies, okay, once you learn technical analysis, you will definitely incline towards, that is maybe 1 or 2 years later, you will want to do option strategies. And option strategies can be done very easily. Like if you want to take a bullish view of the market, looking at a daily chart. See, this is at a rejection level now. Okay, this is at R1, Nifty is at R1. So what do we do now is that we can take a, there can be a candle which can come down like this, because it is too far from super trend, and it can take support on super trend and then go up. Okay, so keeping that in mind, what kind of strategy we can make? So what we can do is we can take next expiry, which is 20th April, options. We will go to option chain and we will make a bearish view. So what I'll do is I will buy a 17,850 put. I will sell out of the money 100 points away, 2 puts, and then buy one immediate 17,800, 1 put. Okay, simple. So this is how it will look. 1 put we bought 17,850, 17,800, 17,750. So here you have 1:2 trade, max loss is 2,500, and you're just making using about 35,000 capital. So in case if you go wrong, which you can hold on without stop loss for a week, okay, and then if it makes profit, then you can make a profit of 5,000, decent 14%. So like this simple strategies you can make. Okay, go for hedge strategies where you don't put stop losses, because stop losses usually are visible to the institutions. They can start coming onto your trades. Okay, so that's it for this week, guys. I hope you like this video and follow these steps religiously if you want to become a successful trader. This, when I say trader, means this is a way of life, and trading teaches you a lot. It will teach you patience, it will teach you your own personality. After seeing this 20 traits, you will understand what kind of a person are you. Are you like very impatient person? Are you very organized person, or are you like doing random things random time, and you don't have stability in your mind? You will come to know with this when you start logging for 20 trades and all. And you will also know, like, if you are a kind of a person who like makes money in 10 trades and one trade he loses, that also you'll come to know. So please follow these rules, and these rules are very simple to do. And if you have a passion to become a trader, because we hardly have trading community in India, retail trading community is growing and there is massive potential in coming years. So please do focus and use these steps to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.